Do you think launching a social project on the blockchain necessarily requires creating your own token, months of development, and thousands of dollars for specialists? Actually, no. I'm Margarita, and you're on the Grantix channel. Today, I will explain why social projects don't need to reinvent the wheel and create their own token, but rather should immediately use the Grant token, which is already integrated into our platform on the Arbitrum blockchain. Watch until the end. It will save you time, money, and nerves. Let's start by understanding what it really means to create your own token. It's not just coming up with a name and designing a logo. It requires a whole cycle of labor-intensive and costly work. First, you need to choose a blockchain to deploy the smart contract, then write and test it, and then conduct a code audit with partners. After these steps, you need to integrate the token into the platform, and then face several equally challenging tasks, such as listing and establishing trading on exchanges, ensuring liquidity, and providing ongoing technical support. Each of these steps requires money, time, and a team of specialists. For a social project, this means diverting resources from the main mission, helping people, or solving an important social problem. And now for the good news. Everything has already been done for you on the Grantix platform. We have integrated our own token grant on the Arbitrum blockchain, one of the fastest and cheapest Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum. Why did we choose Arbitrum? The choice is based on the advantages of this blockchain compared to its counterparts. This blockchain offers minimal transaction fees and consequently low donation costs. It is compatible with Ethereum and easily accessible to a global Web3 user base. After all, it has minimal transaction fees, high transaction speed, compatibility with the Ethereum ecosystem, and access to a worldwide Web3 user base. Why is this convenient for social projects? Because instead of months of technical preparation, you can immediately launch a campaign on Grantix, using the Grant token for all operations, accepting donations, distributing funds, conducting smart contracts. There's no need to hire developers, conduct code audits, seek liquidity for the token, or think about listing on exchanges. All of this is already integrated into the Grantix infrastructure. You simply connect your project and start working. How does this work in practice? You list your project on Grantix, specify goals, description, and budget. Donors transfer grant to you, and you see all transactions in real time on the Arbitrum blockchain. Smart contracts guarantee that each token reaches the recipient, and the transparency of the blockchain allows any user to verify the movement of funds. This strengthens trust, saves resources, and protects your project's reputation. Creating your own token is an interesting experiment, but for social projects, it's an unnecessary waste of time and resources. It is much more effective to use a ready-made solution, the Grant token, which is already integrated into the Grantix platform and ready for use. This means you can focus on your mission while we take care of all technical and financial processes. If you want to learn more about how Grant helps social projects grow, leave your questions in the comments. Like, subscribe to the Grantix channel and launch your initiatives quickly, safely, and efficiently. This was Margarita. See you in the next videos on the Grantix channel.